Hey guys, LJ here, and today I wanted to share with you these laundry sheets that I recently purchased on Amazon and have been trying out. This is by the brand Fisroa, I believe is how you say that. This is their lavender scented sheets. Now these are a little different than some of the other laundry sheets that I've tried in the size of the sheets. So you can go from a very small load up to a very large load just by the size of the sheets here. You can make any combination and you're not wasting product if you have a smaller load. These are a good bit smaller, so this is a standard sheet, which for some of the other brands I've tried, this would be the half sheet. And there is a perforation here for you to easily, I don't know if my light will pick that up. There is a perforation there to make this into two sheets very easily. They tear like this. So then for a small load, you could use this tiny piece. For a regular load, use the two pieces that are one sheet. And then for a larger load, just put two of the full size sheets in there. I love that because there are times when I just have some delicates or something like that and I don't have a very large load. I can just put a half a sheet or a quarter, really it's kind of a quarter sheet for me, in there and I'm good to go and I'm not wasting product. These are the lavender scent. They smell so fresh and just a hint of lavender. It just smells very, very fresh to me. And my laundry did come out smelling very fresh. I didn't necessarily feel like it had a strong lavender to it, but a very fresh scent. My laundry smelled great when it came out. I have other laundry sheets that I've used. I love using laundry sheets, but sometimes they just come out clean, not necessarily smelling that fresh smell. These did give me that fresh scent to my laundry. I was very happy with them. It dissolved easily. I had no residue left over. And then the packaging is in this paper box, so there's no plastic in this whatsoever. Highly impressed with that. Love this. I'm very happy with this brand. Hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.